Hi everybody and welcome in. I'm about to make some blueberry jam. And the reason I'm doing this blueberry jam is somebody gave me a large pack of frozen blueberries. So I said I'm not going to let them go to waste. So I'm just going to make some blueberry jam. I made some strawberry jam a few days ago, so why not make some blueberry jam as well? So in this pot here, I've washed and cleaned them really well and drained them, tried to get as much of that juice off as I could in draining them. So I have 5 cups of blueberries, and I added to that mixture of blueberries 2.5 cups of sugar. And now I have it on medium high on the stove top, and I am going to stand here and watch it and stir until I get the consistency that I want. And I added 5 teaspoons of lemon juice. So I'll come back in just a few. Hi guys, I'm back to show you my finished product of my blueberry jam. Now you can see some of those rich berries in this, and I did take my potato masher and mashed the berries while it was cooking, and I still have some berries in it, but this is it. And I got some creamy Publix peanut butter, and I got me a little bit of peanut butter on this bread, and this is that blueberry jam. So I am going to fold this over like so and take a bite. Talking about good. It is so good. Blueberry jam. I'll talk to you all soon. Hey y'all, this is the finished product of my blueberry jam. I made almost 2 pints, and it is so good. It is so good. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment, ask questions, give me that thumb up, press that notification bell to be reminded of the next videos. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing, following, and telling your family and friends about the channel. This is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen. We will talk to you in the next video.